Hey there, Shinky here, making AI simple, useful, and powerful for you. Today we're diving into some electrifying tech updates. Meta is supercharging startups with its Llama for Startups initiative, offering early-stage US companies up to $6,000 a month for 6 months. This is all about accelerating generative AI development by giving startups access to Llama models and expert guidance. If your team has under $10 million in funding and at least one developer, you can apply by May 30th. This could be the AI boost your startup needs. Now, let's talk about Nvidia. Jensen Huang, the CEO, just unveiled a groundbreaking vision at Computex 2025, AI Factories. These are next-gen data centers designed to fuel the future of generative AI, robotics, and autonomous systems. Partnering with TSMC, Foxconn, and the Taiwanese government, Nvidia plans to build a cutting-edge supercomputer and a new headquarters in Taipei. This positions Taiwan as a central hub for AI innovation. Huang's message is clear. AI infrastructure is the new manufacturing, and whoever builds the factories builds the future. Switching gears, let's explore how to use Vidyo AI to repurpose long videos into shorts or reels. Just upload your YouTube or podcast video to Vidyo.ai, and it auto-generates short clips with subtitles. Review, edit, and download your clips, and you're good to go. And for those looking to boost productivity, check out these 5 AI tools: Brandmark for logo design, PFP Maker for professional profile pictures, Mem AI for note-taking, Recall for content summarization, and Facticity.ai for real-time fact-checking. Over at Google I/O 2025, Google unveiled AI agents that can autonomously browse websites, summarize content, and handle tasks like shopping or trip planning. Plus, Google's new AI mode is set to revolutionize search with conversational AI-generated responses. In the biotech world, Intrepid Labs is leveraging AI to expedite drug discovery, securing $11 million in funding to advance its AI-enabled development tools. This could significantly reduce the time and cost of bringing new drugs to market. That's all for today. Thanks for tuning in. Until tomorrow, keep mastering AI with Shinky and the Hanuman AI team.